Alright everybody, welcome back to my channel. A quick update, what is going on with the GSX. This time I decided I'm gonna do this panel. It had a few dents here and there as well as here. I bonded it and filler primer it. Now the back is all done already. I just sprayed some spots where the exposed metal is, so I'm gonna wash it, get that ready for painting primer. This side over here, it had a huge indentation in here, so this is bonded and filler primed. I just have to smooth it down one more time. And then area over here had a couple of chips as well. This area here was pretty damaged. I don't know for what reason, but it had a few dents as well. One more thing that I'm working on is one dent right here. It's pretty deep down. I tried to kick it out as much as I possibly can. I did that and then I bonded it. Now I have to block it again, sand it down, filler prime it, and then of course sand it again. Interior dash is out. This dash is gonna go to trash. I already have a good dash from the black car as well. The front, I pulled you can't see right now, but I pulled the wiring harness. I pulled it out, and I'm gonna start redoing that as well, because the wiring harness that came in this GSX is horrible. They spliced the wires so many times trying to add lights, neon lights, stereo, all kind of cuts here and there. It's just a mess. I gotta redo that, change some lines, and hopefully get it to the point where it's gonna be like stock. White Eclipse, I haven't done nothing on it. I'm thinking about pulling the engine out pretty soon and putting it apart, checking it out, thinking it's just gonna be a parts car. The black Eclipse is running, driving. Just don't know if it's having a problem with the alternator or it is a fuse, but that's the only problem that person told me it has. So I'm gonna try to do some repairs, see if I can get it going. If I can, it's probably gonna be sold. My OZ Rally Edition Eclipse, just sitting here, kicking back, nothing major. Still a couple of videos coming about the exhaust system that I installed. Videos are coming on that, as well as the couple of interesting repairs that I have to do, which I really don't understand how it happened. The thing is, the camshaft seals, both of them are leaking, which is crazy. So I'm gonna do a repair on that. I have seals already, and yeah, I'm gonna do a video about that as well. But anyway, main focus is on GSX right now. Like I said, the back part is done. This quarter panel over here in the back is done. Just have to smooth it down, as well as the other one as well. Just one little bondo repair there, and this side here is all done, all the way till here. Front is not done. So yeah, still a lot of things to do. A lot of this stuff is not going to be going back on this car, so majority of it will be going to trash, or will be going to one of these cars if they need it. But anyway, that's pretty much it. Just wanted to keep you updated what's going on with the GSX and the other Eclipses. Of course, been working a lot here, and didn't have that much time to film new episodes. But anyway, stay tuned, of course, for the new ones. Of course, if you are new, consider subscribing, like it, share, and I'll see you guys next time. Latest.